Welcome to the first chakra, the base chakra, which is found at the base of the spine. It is also called the Muladhara chakra, which means root support. The word chakra is an ancient Indian word in Sanskrit which means wheel or disc. And through this center, we store information of our bodies and minds, physically and energetically. A chakra is a center point or vortex of energy that receives, assimilates, and expresses our life force energy. For the purpose of this meditation and exercise, it is not necessary to have a full and deep understanding of how the chakras work. All that is required is a willingness to open ourselves to the idea of tuning into the center. And as we do so, we tune into deeper aspects of ourselves. We gain more understanding of our bodies and minds, which leads to a greater awareness of how we can live more abundant, joyful, and inspired lives, expressing our highest potential, and therefore enriching our lives with greater health and vitality. Now, take a long, full, deep breath and let go of the outside world. Just being present here in your body. Bring your awareness to the base of your spine and visualize a big, vibrant, red ball of light or energy. I will now play the vibration that this center resonates with on a crystal bowl. Everything in the universe is made up of frequencies that can be measured mathematically and scientifically. Tune into this frequency by listening and feeling the sound as it resonates at the base of your spine. And notice how it rises up your spine and spreads throughout your whole body. Please repeat the affirmations that you will hear during this meditation. The base chakra is associated with our physical bodies. Here are the affirmations. I love my body. I accept my body just the way it is. I nourish my body by eating healthy, nutritious foods. I enjoy physical exercise as it makes my body strong and resilient. I rest and sleep deeply every night. I love my face. I love my skin. I love my hair. I am radiant and healthy. I am so grateful for having such an amazing body. This chakra relates to our survival, our prosperity and abundance. I feel safe in this world. I am so grateful for the abundance that flows to me with ease every day in all ways. I am living and expressing what I love doing through the work that I do or through the hobbies that I have. I love my home. I love connecting to nature. This chakra holds the energy and connection with our family. I am loved. I am grateful to my parents for everything that they have taught me. I forgive everyone in my family who may have caused me harm in any way. I release the past. I am grateful for all of my family and for all of my friends. I belong in this world. I contribute my unique and special gifts with everyone that I meet. Begin to notice how every cell of your body is responding to the strong and vibrant color of red that you have visualized, and how the frequency of the sound heals, energizes, cleanses and revitalizes your whole body. You feel grounded and connected to your body and to the earth. Remember that this chakra is also called the root chakra, and just like a tree with strong roots, you too have a strong foundation as you feel safe, connected, abundant, strong and healthy. Every day, tune into this chakra and take time to be still. Keep a journal and allow your thoughts and feelings to flow in regards to how you feel about your body, your family, your home, money and work. Allow for images to arise. By writing them down, you will be able to gain clarity and release all that no longer serves you. Make this a fun experience. Be curious as you journey within and become aware of this powerful base chakra and center. For the next 7 days, try and wear red as much as you can, and include choosing foods that are red in color. Notice how many red objects you become aware of during the day. Include red in your life in creative ways. Now, once again, as we come to the end of this meditation with the base chakra, repeat this affirmation. I am a beautiful, radiant being. I am a beautiful, radiant being. Remember to love and nurture yourself this week. Thank you for listening, and thank you for being here in this world, for you have something completely unique to offer. You belong here, and you are loved.